Every year, thousands of the smartest people on the planet sit down and predict where the stock market is going. Goldman Sachs, Morgan Stanley, JP Morgan. Fund managers with Ivy League degrees, billion-dollar research budgets, and decades of experience. And every year, they are wrong more often than they are right. Not slightly wrong. Systematically, consistently, embarrassingly wrong. Here's the data. Over any given 10-year period, more than 85% of actively managed funds underperform a simple index fund. Not a few funds, not the bad ones. 85% of all of them. These are people whose entire job, whose only job, is to predict markets and pick the right investments. They have tools you do not have, information you cannot access, teams of analysts working around the clock, and a basic index fund with no manager, no prediction, no research beats most of them. How is that possible? Here's why. The stock market is not a puzzle waiting to be solved by the smartest person in the room. It is the collective opinion of millions of people. Analysts, institutions, algorithms, retail investors, all trading simultaneously, all incorporating every piece of available information into every price, every second of every day. To beat the market consistently, you do not need to be smart. You need to be smarter than every single one of those millions of participants, simultaneously, over and over again, for decades. Nobody is that smart. Not Warren Buffett's fund manager, not your broker, not the guy on financial news television confidently telling you the market is going to 25,000 by December. When you watch someone on television predict where the market is going, understand what you are actually watching. You are watching someone guess. A well-dressed, well-spoken, very confident guess, backed by charts and terminology designed to sound like certainty. But a guess. There is a study that compared the market predictions of professional analysts against a coin flip. The coin flip won. So what do you do with this? You stop trying to predict. You stop listening to people who predict. And you do the one thing that the data, across every market, every decade, every country, consistently rewards. You buy the whole market through a low-cost index fund. Every month. Automatically. Without checking where it is going. Because nobody knows where it is going. And the sooner you accept that, the wealthier you will become.